Hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Accord True Wireless Stereo Speaker. Look at that little speaker. And it works because we had one last year. I got one for my son-in-law for Christmas. And this is hand-free, rechargeable battery inside, and mini wireless speaker with selfie. Okay, this is the speaker. I'm not going to take it out of the box because I'm going to give it as a gift for somebody, but it's a cute speaker, and I'm thinking Christmas again for someone. Who knows? But if you like this speaker, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up, and I will leave everything below in the comment section as well for you to order it or whatever. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.